Scene script, welcome to this channel. Sit down and grab a cup of coffee to enjoy. Have you ever wondered which is the most venomous snake in the world? This is a question that may strike fear into some hearts while sparking curiosity in others. But regardless of where you stand, the world of venomous snakes is nothing short of fascinating. These slithering creatures are scattered across the globe, from the dense jungles of the Amazon to the arid deserts of Australia. They come in all shapes and sizes, each one equipped with its unique deadly cocktail of venom. The potency of this venom varies greatly, depending on a range of factors. The type of venom is the first of these factors. Some snakes produce neurotoxic venom, which attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis, while others produce hemotoxic venom, which targets the circulatory system, leading to internal bleeding. There's also cytotoxic venom, which destroys tissue and cells. But it's not just the type of venom that matters. The amount of venom a snake can deliver in a single bite is also a critical factor. Some snakes might have highly potent venom, but they can only deliver a small amount. Others may have less potent venom, but they deliver it in large quantities. Then, there's the delivery mechanism. Some snakes have long, hollow fangs that act like hypodermic needles, injecting venom deep into the tissues. Others have short, fixed fangs that can only deliver venom near the surface of the wound. But what makes a snake truly venomous is the combination of all these factors. It's the type of venom, the amount delivered, and the effectiveness of the delivery mechanism that together determine the venomousness of a snake. As we journey through this video, we'll explore some of the world's most venomous snakes, looking at how these factors come together to create these lethal creatures. From the notorious inland taipan of Australia to the lesser-known Belcher's sea snake of the Indian Ocean, we'll delve into the intriguing world of these dangerous yet captivating creatures. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of these fascinating and deadly creatures. So, what types of venomous snakes are out there? Well, let's dive right in and explore the world of these fascinating but deadly creatures. We're going to focus on three primary groups: vipers, cobras, and sea snakes. Each of these groups boasts unique characteristics and venom types that set them apart. First off, let's talk about vipers. This group includes some of the most recognizable venomous snakes like rattlesnakes, bushmasters, and the infamous puff adder. Vipers are known for their hinged fangs that they can fold back when not in use. These snakes are found all over the world, with the exception of Australia and Madagascar. Their venom is primarily hemotoxic, which means it targets the blood and tissue of their victims. The effects can range from swelling and tissue damage to severe blood clotting issues. Next up, we have the cobras. This group is home to some of the most iconic venomous snakes, such as the king cobra and the Egyptian cobra. Cobras are primarily found in Africa and Asia, and are known for their ability to hood or flatten their necks when threatened. Their venom is mainly neurotoxic, affecting the nervous system and causing symptoms such as paralysis and respiratory failure. Last but certainly not least, we have the sea snakes. These aquatic reptiles are found in the warm coastal waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They're equipped with paddle-like tails for swimming, and unlike their land-dwelling counterparts, they have small fangs that are always erect. Sea snakes have incredibly potent venom, which is a mix of neurotoxins and myotoxins. These toxins can cause muscle damage, paralysis, and even heart failure. Each of these groups of venomous snakes possesses a unique set of characteristics and venom types that make them both intriguing and formidable. Understanding these traits not only helps snake enthusiasts appreciate these creatures, but also plays a crucial role in the development of anti-venom treatments. Now that we know about the different types of venomous snakes, let's find out more about the most venomous ones. Meet the inland taipan, the snake with the most toxic venom in the world. This remarkable serpent calls the arid regions of Central Australia home, where it expertly navigates the rocky terrain and loose sands. It's an elusive creature, preferring to avoid confrontation rather than engage. But don't be fooled by its reticence. The inland taipan is a formidable force in the animal kingdom. The snake boasts a color palette that shifts with the seasons. In the colder months, it dons a darker coat, absorbing more of the sun's heat. As the temperature rises, it sheds this shadowy skin for a lighter, more reflective hue, regulating its body temperature with finesse. But it's not the inland taipan's appearance that's earned it a fearsome reputation, it's the potency of its venom. This snake's venom is a deadly cocktail of neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins, each contributing to a swift and lethal effect. The neurotoxins attack the nervous system, disrupting communication between the brain and muscles. Hemotoxins target the blood, leading to clotting and tissue damage. Lastly, the myotoxins strike the muscles, causing paralysis and potential heart failure. If bitten, A human victim can succumb to the venom's effects in as little as 45 minutes. It's a race against time to administer anti-venom, the only known antidote. Without immediate medical attention, the survival rate is bleak. However, it's worth noting, despite its deadly venom, the inland taipan is not naturally aggressive towards humans. Most bites occur when people attempt to handle or provoke the creature. So, while the inland taipan's venom is the most toxic in the world, the snake itself is not the most dangerous to humans. Its preference for remote habitats and generally shy demeanor mean encounters are rare. It's a vital reminder that danger often lies not in the creature itself, but in how we interact with it. The inland taipan surely is a formidable creature, but it's not the only deadly snake out there. Next up, the eastern brown snake, the snake responsible for the most snakebite deaths in Australia. This cunning creature, also known as Pseudonaja textilis, thrives in populated regions, including rural areas and city outskirts. Its habitat ranges from the arid interiors of Australia to the coastal regions, making it a common yet unwelcome visitor in many backyards. Taking a closer look at its characteristics, the eastern brown snake is slender and agile, reaching lengths of up to 7 feet. Its color varies from light tan to dark brown, camouflaging it perfectly in the Australian outback. The eastern brown snake is not only known for its speed but also its unpredictability, making encounters potentially deadly for the unprepared. The venom of the eastern brown snake is a potent cocktail of toxins, including neurotoxins, coagulants, and nephrotoxins. A single bite delivers enough venom to cause severe poisoning in humans. Neurotoxins affect the nervous system, causing paralysis, while coagulants interfere with blood clotting, leading to uncontrolled bleeding. Nephrotoxins target the kidneys, potentially causing renal failure. If bitten, the victim might initially experience symptoms such as nausea, abdominal pain, and headache. However, if left untreated, these symptoms can quickly escalate to paralysis, convulsions, renal failure, and even cardiac arrest. The venom's potency, along with the snake's proximity to human habitations, makes the eastern brown snake the leading cause of snakebite fatalities in Australia. However, despite its fearsome reputation, survival rates are high if the victim receives prompt medical attention. The development of an effective antivenom has significantly reduced fatalities from eastern brown snake bites. But remember, the best form of prevention is to avoid encounters with these snakes altogether. The eastern brown snake is indeed a force to be reckoned with, but there's one more snake we need to discuss. Last but not least, let's talk about the Belcher's sea snake, one of the most venomous sea snakes in the world. This aquatic serpent is truly a marvel of nature, a creature that commands both awe and respect. The Belcher's sea snake is primarily found in the warm, tropical waters of the Indian Ocean and the Gulf of Thailand. It's a relatively small snake, usually no longer than a meter, and is characterized by its slender body and broad head. Its color varies from light green to a grayish hue, allowing it to blend seamlessly with the coral reefs and seagrass it calls home. But don't let its size and seemingly innocuous appearance fool you. This snake possesses a venom that is 50 times more potent than that of the king cobra. A single bite is capable of delivering enough venom to kill 1,000 people. Yet the Belcher's sea snake is generally docile and tends to bite humans only when provoked or mishandled. The venom of the Belcher's sea snake is neurotoxic, meaning it primarily affects the nervous system. Once bitten, the venom can cause symptoms ranging from severe pain and swelling at the bite site to nausea, convulsions, and paralysis. Without prompt medical treatment, the venom can lead to respiratory failure and, ultimately, death. However, it's important to note that the chances of being bitten by a Belcher's sea snake are relatively low. These snakes are more interested in hunting small fish and crustaceans than entangling with humans. Moreover, they're hesitant to waste their precious venom, which they need for hunting, on non-prey creatures like us. There you have it, some of the most venomous snakes in the world. Remember, these creatures are to be respected, not feared. After all, they are an essential part of our ecosystem. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Welcome for more information.